Hello, I'm Alex, and this is a video where I will explain what prefabs are and how to create them in Unity. Prefabs are pre-configured game objects that you can create in your scene and store in the project. They can be stored, instantiated, and prefabs are generally a core theme in the development with Unity. They can be used for literally every type of object in Unity, and they are really handy. To create a prefab, just create an object in the scene and drag it to the inspector. Now you have a prefab of the original object. You can now add many times the prefab in the scene, making your development easier. But if you want to change the prefab, select an object, make the changes you want and click on Apply. This will change the original prefab and all the other copies. At the same time, if you modify one copy and you don't like the changes, you can click on Revert and return to the original status. Thank you for being here. I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below and see you in the next video. Bye bye.